Hey guys, what's up? It's Marky Favorite Town here, and today I'll be showing you how to get SB settings toggles without being jailbroken. And if I go into my settings right here, and I go to General and About, you can see I'm on 5.0.1, and there's currently no untethered jailbreak for this. So when there's not an untethered jailbreak, I do not jailbreak. So I love SB settings on my iPod Touch and iOS 4. I used to use it all the time until I got this iPhone, and there's no jailbreak for it. Untethered, of course. So I was looking through the App Store the other day, and I found this app. It's called Icon Project. It doesn't really say that it does this, but it lets you create toggles on your iPhone or iPod Touch. So if I just go to my folder, it says toggles right here. As you can see, I have Bluetooth, brightness, wallpaper, and Wi-Fi. These are very easy to create. So if I just go into my mail real quick, and now I want to do this accessibility one. I copy it, and then go to this app. And I already started doing this, but you have to select URL homepage and paste the URL, and you can find a picture just by going to Safari, searching wherever it is. Accessibility, I searched iPhone accessibility logo, so I just want to use this one. I'm just going to save the image. And now if I just go back into the app, I can go to choose photo, camera roll, and I can resize this a little bit because I don't want it to be that big. So I can get it, there we go, whatever. And as you can see, the icon looks very nice. You can add edge, like borders and stuff. You can put the background to whatever color you want. You can add text onto the picture. It's really cool. And if, after you're done creating, you just go to create and create again. And it has to upload the icon. It goes into Safari real quick and shows you. You have to add it to home screen just by going like this. Go to add to home screen. If you wait a second, there's your logo again. Just type on add, and it shows up right there. Since I have a folder for this, I'm just going to bring it to that folder right there. And so now if I wanted to go to my accessibility, I just tap on that right there. And as you can see, it's not like snappy, like very fast where you can toggle it on and off or do whatever you want. But it's faster than going through all your menus and everything to get to here. And also say like, if I want to change my brightness, I tap on my brightness one. And I have my brightness about less than halfway. Let me just turn it down a little bit more. There you go. I'd like to save battery life. And if you guys want a video on how to save battery life, because my battery life is actually very good on my iPhone, if you guys want a video on that, you can just tell me in the comments below and I'll make the video. So whatever. So this is just a very cool app. And by the way, it's only 99 cents in the App Store. So I really recommend you get it. Besides that, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So, peace.